Jacinta ngizwe phakela umthakathi impi enani iqalile bafethu caciselana isizwe ukuthi kunikuphi ngayo iyaqhubeka noma iqhubeka because bayashona abantu bashiya intandane isimo asikho kahle ezweni angazi wesingako lo muntu ngizwa kuthiwa ulimale lapha eNanda kungaqondakala ukuthi umuntu ulimale kanjani lona ke kuthiwa ke ube leader of the March and March movement nangu lapha noSihle Emmanuel Mbambo obena 53 ubese nezitolo ke shothi uyiclaime back after indabeni yokuxosha labantu laba bokufika nomunye kuningi nje lento okwenzakala endaweni eziningi ezahlukahlukene and lo mfutho noma mentami eMarch and March akucaci ukuthi kwenzakalani for the past 2-3 weeks ngathi ngelinye ilanga iya drop igraph ishona phansi drastically ngaphikiseka kwathiwa nginamanga nakho nje manje bamasha kuphi abantu kwenzakalani baphi ke bona ongizwa ophakela umthakathi oJacinta iphi lento kade ikhona sikhuluma nje kune SADC gathering SADC bonke amazwe laba no minister bakhona naba la eMzansi laba balamazwe angaphandle iyenziwe le KZN ise ICC phakathi eDurban Central president kade sewesivile zolo lokho so kusizapho ukuthi kuthiwa into ikhona ibiqhubeka ibulala abantu kungabi na statement kungabi bikho ukuphawula kodwa abantu bayashona impi yaqhubeka kodwa ngapha abashoshozeli sebemile nokuqhubeka kwempi and labantu niyazi ukuthi ababopheka ababoshwa and instead banabantu igenge le protection fee le bagadile namanye ama security companies uyabona ukuthi ku tense impi imile iqinile nina kodwa ngale senixedisile senehlisa amasokisi but abantu bayaqhubeka bayahamba ngale abanye bakhokhela ngisho into ade bezenza iMarch and March sabhizi sasemgangathweni sa active emphakathini akucaci ukuthi kwenzakalani kuze nabantu abanye bezoyidistance ukuthi cha hayi nathi sesiyahlela abantu bengalifeli ubala bengashiya intandane ngobala mhlawumbe entweni esuka ivele singase
53 bamdumbulile ke ubaba at his second shop. Apparently he had 5 shops, 5 spaza shops and 1 saloon, and he was unalived ke in the very same community la hlala khona lapha organizer khona lapha matcha khona bamdubule khona. Right now let me explain something to you. This thing of March and March has stopped the income of many people. Abanye abantu bebaphila ngayo le mali rentals. They were renting to foreign nationals and they were able to sustain themselves, buy food, pay their bills, take their children to school and buy luxuries once in a while. We all know that the economy is tough and things are tough in South Africa. We know that once those people left, there was a vacant space left, and we know that not that many South Africans had the stock or the capital to immediately start business. So there was a gap there. There was a gap left when the foreigners left. Ubab Sihle yena had 5 spaza shops and a saloon. It means that he was able to sustain his family and live comfortably in the very same community where others have lost income, the income that they were relying on. And he was going up and down from shop to shop, collecting monies. Baloko bambhekile, angithi bayambona, now he's gone from that shop, or now he's going to that shop, now he's going to that shop. Baloko bakubhekile. Wena udla kamnandi ukuphila kamnandi ngefamily yakho, others they must make a plan now njengoba ama foreigner awasekho. They must now see to finish how they are going to sustain themselves. Wena uhamba ukoleka imali. Can you see why it's going to be a problem? Now it is no secret that those spaza shops where foreigners were, there were certain people called enforcers or protection that were collecting monies from those foreign nationals, telling them that this is protection fees. Then come March and March, extortionists, bona self, trying to use the same method, but with some psychology saying, oh, yeah, tina so March and March, when ungubani, hey, what is the stock? Is less stock, la say sell is how much stock of that person is still here? No. In March and March is now instructing people what to do with their properties in their homes. kule jar lakho emathe izofika ekutshele wena uthi wenzeni. Yeah, and then you think that nisazocontinue nilide leyo match and match niphile kamnandi ungabe nama consequence. Mina if bengugogo umntanami washona kudala wangiwakhela ama room or wangakhela ini and ngirentisa ngawo ngiphila ngawo, and then suddenly I have no income, ngizobhala ku family group, hi guys abantwana bami ngiyahlupheka angina nix njengoba imatch and match iloko ila ngiyasokola, ngizobhala. And if khona one of my children or of my nieces and nephews that is stowed, they'll make a plan for me, and these are the kind of plans that people are making. Bakathela abantu, and unfortunately uleader wenu uJacinta cannot read the room. She can't. People are tired, people are suffering, unemployment is high. Bahleli nama room, they can't even rent them out. Bahleli nama shops, nama containers, they are empty. Bills are piling. People cannot buy necessities. Niloko nimachelani. Yinento nimachelayo. What are you helping the community with? Ungcono Ramaphosa unika abantu ama-350. Ungcono. Incane leyo mali, but at least it's something. uJacinta unikani. Besides promising you heaven on earth until at hey nilelilise, hey we are fighting for South Africa. Yena uhamba nge-Discovery. Uhlala ku-estate, une-24-hour protection. Wena njengeleader yematshe se-Inanda, you are gone now. Abantwana bakho abanababa manje. Uyi-breadwinner, umfazi wakho is now a widow. Akana nix. She will now have to scramble to run that thing, and bazofika be-match and match bamthathele futhi leyo show bamtshela abhadale extortion fees ndon. Sibuya sithi vertically or horizontally.
Guys, mina ngilo mfundisi lo ebathu pastor no Mr Fix the Country. Umfundisi bakithi ongakhathalela kuthenjwa makumele uthi alikhuluma iqiniso, umfundisi futhi olibeka iqiniso ngendlela elingayo. Mamelani bafowethu. Asingazenzini impuphuthe, asingazenzini ungathi asiboni, and asingabulala uNembeza ongafanga. UNembeza uzosifela makumele ufe bakithi, but as long sinoNembeza futhi sinengqondo and futhi sinendlebe and sinamehlo sibona, asiyekeleni ukuacta ngathi asiboni abantu base South Africa kanti iqiniso siyalazi. Angeke silungise iCountry yethu ngamanga. Asilifaceni iqiniso bafowethu. Bafowethu akekho umuntu wama 80s noma uma 70s ongazi ukuthi iSouth Africa ila kulesimo ekuso isizathu yini. Asingahlanganisi namanzi nooil abafethu akuhlangani. Asingahlanganisa uparafin namanzi sithi ngoba kuyafana kuyosebenzisana, ngeke kusebenzisana. Uma siyochubeka bafethu sithi sifuna ukulungisa izwe ngamanga, still siyostaka. Instead sizohlupheka ukudlula lokhu esikomplainelayo manje. Asilungiseni izwe lethu ngeqiniso. Iqiniso siyalazi bafowethu. iSouth Africa ayibulawanga abantu bokufika. Ngiyayiphinda futhi lento leyo. Abantwana bethu abangenanga kuyidakwamizwa because of ama-foreigner. Abantwana bethu abalali phansi kwama-bridge because of abantu bokufika. Abantwana bethu abazona izisulwa zedakwamizwa because of umuntu waseMozambique noma umuntu waseZimbabwe noma umuntu waseLesotho noma waseBotswana noma waseZambia noma waseMalawi noma lalelani. Cha, ngiyayala lento leyo. Ngifuna nibiye lapha ningizwe kahle. Singathathi iqiniso silosibhisini boza ngamanga. Ngoba la iqiniso livela khona siyohetheka futhi ngeke size sizwane. Asoyifundisa ukukhuluma iqiniso ngendlela elingayo. Asiyekeleni ukukhipha imisipha bakithi Nkosi yami size sikhipha ngisho nezinhlamba ezingazwakali ku social media bakithi emafonini lapha kuma interview, mara sizenzela intukuthelo nje ephuma endleleni engekho. Nedi ngoba sometimes sifuna ukufihla iqiniso, sifuna ukunelisa amaphakethe wethu noma sifuna ukujabulisa abantu abathile. Asifaceni iqiniso bafethu. iSouth Africa sizoyilungisa ngenyaniso, ngeqiniso. Ngiyanitshela phela mina. Angithi mina bakithi mangizokhuluma la ngisuke ngafundishathiswa ngamali ngisuke lapha ngikhuluma ngefoni yami ngikhuluma ngesikhathi sami ngikhuluma bakithi ngomlomo wami and ngikhuluma leqiniso lami elisenhlizweni engilibonayo phela mina ngiprepare bafethu mina ngizukuzikhohlisa mina ngihlanye ekhanda ngeke ngize ngiyikhohlise mina angisoze izwe lethu libulewe amalungelo ngiyaphinda futhi ngiyasho amalungelo afike angena kumuntu wesifazane ekhaya bathi umuntu wesifazane unama rights siyalingana naye umuntu wesifazane wafika ngesikhathi athanda ukufika ngasekhaya uma ngabe wena ndoda uthi uphangamisa ivoice it's an abuse unelungelo ukuthi akuhlabe ngedivorce enema ngabe futhi nezingane agcine awine yonke into ngoba yena unezingane amadoda amaningi ahlala emadrobheni agcina adla idakwamizwa is because of akhishwe amaphepha emizini yabo enokunzima ukuthi babiyele emakhaya kubo ngoba niyazi ukuthi siphila kuma family nje sine competition indoda yahamba yohlala edrobheni yadla kuma dustbin likuphi foreigner kulomzuzu njoba indoda ishayela amakhaza lapha ize icabanga nje ukuthi iphuze lezi zinto ezishisayo oyipinza iphuze bakithi ishisa amaphaphu lapha uyibone bakithi ibothokile lapha idakwamizwa zingekho aphuze lezi zinto besizibiza umankantshane izipayoni ngenxa ye stress esibangelwe umshado wakhe ngenxa yamalungelo namhlanje ukhishwe amandla wakhe wonke awenzile awasabalulekile ama right athethwe wonke ayibafazi ningabalekela iqiniso buyani lapha madoda buyani lapha madoda buyani lapha abantu bakwaZulu buyani lapha maSuthu buyani lapha maPedi buyani lapha emaTsonga buyani lapha maNdebele buyani lapha kimi baMaswati buyani la kimi maXhosa bonani Batswana sonzelani kimi inkinga nayi la iSouth Africa ibulewe amalungelo ngiyantshela mina manje sikhule thina esikoleni bakithi ngaboma 1980 something besishaywa esikoleni ugijime uma kumele ungene esikolweni ngo7 bazothi kora 2:07 kumele sibe sesifikile esikoleni sizokwazi ukuyofola kuassembly kodwa amalungelo angena ukuthi abantwana kwaba khona oyedwa uthisha oshaya umntwana isandla or umntwana lobeka allergic or umntwana lobeka nezakhe bayanama demon wakhe wasekhaya kubo isandla savuvukala sathi isandla masivuvukala izwe lonke lema ngeenyawo ngoba iproblem yenu namhlanje niyakwazi ukuthi nitoyitoyele into kusasa ezonixaka niyakhumbula ukuthi kunothisha washaya ingane angazi ingane la isandleni emnweni wavuvukala or umuno wenzani naqala ke lapho natoyitoyela loyo thisha loyo kwase lapho kusuka lapho nathi kube khona ubulungiswa eParliament umthetho washintsha ukuthi cooperation yini lento leyo nizoyikhuluma leso silungu leso wathi punishment ayiyekwe esikolweni nathi abantwana bangasashaywa esikolweni nandlula nathi abantwana nasekhaya abazali bangasashaya abantwana ubona umntwana bakithi eBiyoza lapha Nkosi yami athi bamshayile ekhaya bakithi Nkosi yami uthola umntwana lapha mabampostile or mase bekhuluma lapha kuvele kube ngathi mhlawumbe ubaba wakhe uyami abuser uma wakhe uyami abuser kwathiwa nabazali bangasabathinta abantwana sengiyantshela ukuthi izwe lenu ngicela ukubuza lapho uma ngabe abantwana nibanikeza amalungelo ukuthi manje abasathintwa umuntu okufika bekakuphi lapho lento ekuthiwa iforeigner beyikuphi leni ibiza ikwerekore beyikuphi lapho ikwerekore belikuphi ngalomzuzu la likhona eParliament cha lalingekho lalingekho umntwana namhlanje noma ngabe ulate esikoleni uma ebona uthisha eza lapha emuva lapha umntwana akagijima ukuthi edistrict kuyofikela kuqala uthisha esikoleni ngoba sengilate uthisha angaze yena adlule impela ngemoto noma adlule ashesha lapha athi uthisha hey wena yazibotha ulate athi hayi Grootman hayi ngiyazwakala ungawari ngiyazwakala ngisendleleni utshela uthisha njalo thina bese ngacala siyenze lento bese ngeke umntwana uyakwazi ukuthi manje mangabe kukhona isubject angayithandi esiklasini avela phume ayohlala ema toilet adla imbanje strong uthole le group yabafana le iyasatshwa esikolweni igcine futhi nabo thisha bayingena ngeni bayibona nje kuphela abasa complain ngoba yazi le team leni iyagwazana abantwana bahamba nemimese esikoleni banamalungelo bayasatshwa izwe lenu libulewe ama rights amalungelo buyelani lapha esemthetho sene South Africa niyobuyela kuleyo section leyo yamalungelo abantwana nabantu besifazane niyoyikhansela niyiqale phansi South Africa izobuyela esimeni Mangaki ama divorce achumile eSouth Africa since kunamalungelo abantu besifazane. Zingaki ingane ezilwe nabazali bazo, bangaki abazali namhlanje ababoshiwa asemajele baboshiswa abantwana ukuthi baba abusile. Umntwana entombazane akwazi ukuthi askeme ubaba wakhe, athi ubaba wakhe bayafuna ukumenza umuntu wesifazane, bekafuna ukumrape. Namhlanje sinamadoda asejele avulelwe abantwana amakhesi ngabantwana banikezwe amalungelo, baqamba manga just because of banamalungelo nabo banezwi. So manje sibhizi siyathemeleza siyale nale siyofunani ngoba iqiniso nani iSouth Africa ibulewe ama rights. Likuphi ikwerekwere lapho, lingenaphi ikwerekwere lapho? Ungenaphi umuntu wase Mozambique lapho? Wenzeni umuntu wase Malawi lapho? Yebo mfowethu, ngicela ukunitshela. Asingahlanganisa izinto engahlangani. Asingakhulumi izinto ezingafani sifuna ukuyifanisa ngenkani ngenxa ukuthi sifuna ukunelisa imizwa yethu nezifiso zethu. Iqiniso sinalo, nathi sihlezi kabuhlungu, abantu bahlezi kabuhlungu bakithi emizini yabo abayakhe kanzima ngoba usaba nokuthi aphakamisa ivoice ayiqinise kumuntu wesifazane. Umuntu wesifazane manje mawuphakamisa ivoice yana athwala izandla ekhanda, icommunity ngakubulala uphila bathi abuse lo mama. Amaphoyisa amavan angena out 10 azongena ngathi mhlawumbe uqhekeza ibhenki just because of ezisililo somuntu wesifazane. Amalungelo iwona abulele izwe lenu.